How to add a link to a YouTube video's description. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you can do is go to your channel, then videos, and if there is a video here, you can click on it and then edit the description, or you can also just go to the YouTube studio and then to content, and here you can see all your videos as well. So I'm just going to click on details right here. Now here in the description, you can add a link to this. So I'm just going to click on paste, and here is the link. I'm going to click on save. Then if you would open the video in here, then you can now see the link here right there. So if you click on there, you will open up the YouTube main page because we added that link, but you can add any link you want in there. So that's kind of it. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.